What's up, everyone? It's Shaneequa of hashtag Ask Shaneequa. Today, I'm talking about you better flex that legal muscle, okay? And what I'm talking about is, as some of you may or may not know, I am a proud member of Legal Shield, and I'm also an associate, meaning that I market the services as well. And I just wanted to tell you two quick little stories on how I recently had to flex my legal muscle, okay? Because, people will get insurance for their car and for their house. They'll get medical insurance, but they will not get, it's not legal insurance, it's legal protection. And that legal protection keeps all those other companies and businesses in line. Okay, so first story. I went to the gas station to get some gas. Now, when I first started working at the age of 17, I was 19 when I first started working. And I had a job at a gas station. I knew that when you pay at the pump, it puts a hold on your card for about $75 to $100 or more, so it could cover the gas that you get. So I never do that. I always go inside because I got bills to pay. I ain't trying to get a hold on my card. I need my money. So I went inside to get $25 worth of gas. Okay, got my gas, left. Later that day, I'm checking my account, and there's $50 pending on my card. Now, that shouldn't be from the gas station that I went to. Now, that shouldn't be because I got exactly $25. So I go right back up to the store, the gas station, and I let the gentleman know, hey, you charged me $50 instead of $25. The manager and him printed off the receipt, and I showed them, my bank withdrawal, the pending withdrawal on my card, where it had $50. And they're telling me, oh, well, we only charged you $25. I said, well, something is wrong. Y'all need to figure it out because this is not right. They were like, well, did you pay at the pump? I said, no, I did not pay at the pump. I came in and paid because I know there's a hold that is put on your card. So, I'm really upset. And then I leave, and they're telling me, well, there's nothing they can do. I leave. I come back about an hour later because I want to know if this gas station is privately owned or is it a corporation. So I go back up there. The manager and the gentleman who charged me were not there. It was another young lady there. And I asked her, I said, excuse me, because she heard the whole thing that happened. I said, is this gas station privately owned or is it part of a corporation? She said, oh, no, it's privately owned. She said, the father owns it and the son is the general manager. I said, well, can I get their name and phone number? Because I need to call someone about this. So she gave me the general manager's number, the son, and I called him. And apparently he had already heard about the incident because he's already defending his employees on what had happened. And I said, well, I see this pending charge of $50. And I said, I don't want to have to get my lawyer involved. And he then proceeds to yell at me, talking about, well, it's going to cost you more to contact your lawyer than it is for this $25, and just going off on me. I hang up in his face. And he then texts me, because before all that, before I hung up in his face though, I let him know that, oh, I have Legal Shield. I'm part of Legal Shield, so I could get unlimited consultations for unlimited situation matters, and this will be one of those. I need to know my legal rights because you guys are overcharging me $25. And I said, I definitely don't want to let my audience know about this gas station, how y'all getting over on folks. Is that why your gas is so cheap? You know, I got a smart mouth sometimes. And then I hung up in his face. And then he proceeds to text me with some threats talking about it's going to be slander and liable if I social media blast him. And I told him not to text me again, that any communication he has with me further will be through my attorney, and anything that I share about his gas station will not be liable or slander if it can be proven. So I wait until that pending charge goes through. And guess what? The $50 disappeared, and it was now only $25 when the pending charge went through. Never had to hear from that general manager, and I'm never going back to that gas station. I don't care how cheap that gas is. But that is one reason and one way I had to flex my legal muscle. I didn't even have to contact my attorney. He already assumed that it was going to cost me a lot of money to get in touch with my law firm to let them know about this $25 overcharge. Second story, okay? And I'm going to try to make this quick. Just the other night, the water in my bathtub would not turn off, the hot water. I called emergency maintenance for my apartment complex. As soon as it happens, I first go to the on-site maintenance person who says he has COVID, he ain't working. Okay, fine. Go call the emergency maintenance number. And the guy calls me right back. I tell him what's going on. I said, the water will not shut off. It's coming out profusely. He says, oh, I'm going to have to handle it in the morning. Great. Okay. So all night, my water, and he told me he'll be there. He's like, what's the earliest he could come? I said, you could come at 7 a.m. You know, he was like, okay, I'll be there between 8 and 9. Okay, fine. Water on all night. Gallons and gallons of water being wasted. I call early in the morning, about 7, and I ask, you leave a message, just wanted to know the ETA of when the maintenance person will be here to get this fixed, because it's been on all night. It's like a sauna in my bathroom. It's hot water. A lot of water is being wasted. No call back. Okay? I wait till 11 o'clock. Now, mind you, he said he'll be there between 8 and 9. It's 11 o'clock. My water is still running profusely. I call back and said, it's now 11 o'clock. The maintenance man said he'll be here between 8 and 9. I said, I hope I am not charged for all these gallons of water wasted, because I called as soon as the problem happened. And next I'll be calling my attorney to find out what my rights are. And then I sent an email to the apartment complex with the same message and a video of the water running, letting them know it's been running like this for 13 hours and I hope I am not charged. Do you know, within 10 minutes, there was a knock at my door, and it only took the maintenance man 10 minutes to fix the problem. Okay? Only 10 minutes to fix the problem. But that's what I'm saying. And my mom, she heard me on these calls with the maintenance people. She said, you know what did it? When you talked about your attorney, that's what did it. And that is the power of having a law firm literally in your pocket, because we have an app that we can get in touch with our attorney on matters like this. Brian Carruthers called it the Don't Mess With Me app. Okay? Don't mess with me. Flex your legal muscle. I pay for this service. All of us pay for our service, and our lawyers are paid a really good amount of money to make sure that we know our rights and we are protected. So if you don't have that legal muscle, then I'm telling you, you need to get with me so I can help you get covered. It is less than $1 a day for the legal service. And we also have identity theft protection as well. You know, all this cyber hacking and things going on. You can be protected from that too. That'll be like $2.50 a day. You can't even get a Starbucks for that a day. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and flex your legal muscle. Now, I'm on a mission to get more associates, people who want to help people protect their rights and get paid for it here in Colorado, here in the Denver metro area, all over Colorado, okay? Local. Because this Friday, our law firm is having an open house. We actually get to go in, socialize, meet with our attorneys, learn about our law firm, learn about what is covered, what is not covered, and have a personal relationship with the people who are protecting us, which I think is key. What other companies do you know of where you have a personal relationship with the people who are protecting you in your interests? So I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I'm at about 12 minutes. I've gone longer than I normally do. I'm headed into work. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood in Denver, Colorado. I'm heading downtown. So if you are in the Denver metro area, or even if you're not in the Denver metro area and you want to get your legal rights protected and covered, please send me a message, inbox me, and then I'm going to send you a video digital form that's going to have a 3-minute video on it. And it's going to ask you a few questions after you watch the video to see, you know, how serious you are about getting protected. And then if you're also interested in becoming an associate, you know, there's a one-time licensing fee that I like to say is like $99. That might be going up in the future, so you might want to hop on it right now on that same video digital form. So until the next video, take care, God bless, and remember, if you don't have no legal muscle, you better ask me so you can get some. All right, bye.